Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI MatePad 11.5 and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to find the display and brightness. After tapping in this right section we have to find the sleep option under the screen section and simply tap. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. So at the top we've got relatively short options, and at the bottom the longest option, the never, which simply means that your device will never automatically black out, so you will have to do it manually. All you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.